Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to block websites in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. Here we are in Chrome. And so you want to go and block websites. Potentially, this is for someone else who uses this browser, or it could be for yourself. This can be a good thing if you find yourself ending up on websites you don't want to. Perhaps you're going and getting distracted from studies or work. So blocking these can just go and remind you and stop you from using them. Make sure it's a full guide and go and skip anything, as we're going to guide you through how this can go and be done. So let's go and say I wanted to go and block a site like X. As you can see, at the moment, I cannot access x.com. But if you want to go and block it, what we can do is we can go and head to the top right of Chrome. There you're going to find the three dots, which you need to go and click on. Here you want to come down, and you need to go and hover over the option for extensions, and you can press Visit Chrome Web Store. It will then go and open up. I'll just press Got It here. At the top of the search bar, you want to go and type in a block site like so. And this is the extension we're going to get. So you can go and click on it and press Add to Chrome. Press the Add extension. I'll guide you through how you can go and use it. So with this, what you can actually do is go and head to the site you want to block. So I could come back to X. Then, when you're on the site, you can go and right-click on some blank space, and you'll see the option to block this domain. So that's it. Now, when you try to come here, it says X is blocked. You can also go and manage this by pressing the extensions button in the top right, and you can go and click on Block Site. And then you can come down here, and you can add more sites and go and see the block sites here as well. To unblock them, you can just remove them to the right. If you found this useful, then leave a